What's up guys, today we'll talk about Fiverr, and here you can see my account analytics on Fiverr. Here is a number on how much I already made total on Fiverr, and here is number of completed orders, average order price, and for last 30 days you can see that I didn't receive any order. Well, actually, I stopped working accepting orders on Fiverr. This is why no results for this month. As you know, I'm working on different projects, and for Fiverr, I do not have much time left. So anyway, I will show you how it's. I will give you some advices on how to start on Fiverr, so you will be able to get such results as I'm doing. And yeah, I got some money here what I can withdraw to my PayPal, and here you can see Fiverr seller level system. So if you are only registered on Fiverr, you will get this gray badge, and as soon as you will complete as I remember 5 orders, you will get level 1. And if you will provide good response rate, fast delivery, and will generate some money on Fiverr, you'll get level 2. And most people will stop on this level. And the maximum what you can get, the maximum badge what you can get is top rated, but you should have at least 20,000 bucks orders completed for all time, and you should get good response rate, order completion rate, on-time delivery, ratings, and so everything should be green here. Then Fiverr staff will manually check your account, and if everything is great, they will give you this top rated badge. So here you can see such global map. It's a map where I'm located, and so here is my location. Here you can see these gray numbers, like how many sales you are receiving from every country. So let's move to the next page. It's here is a gig page. Here you can see I have paused 16 gigs and only 3 gigs left. So I have done this, as I said before, that I simply do not have time for Fiverr, and this is why I paused mostly all gigs, left only these 3, my top ones. Also, I'm accepting custom orders, so visit gig page, select them, and offer buyers to accept custom orders. So this will give you more sales. I will show you my top gig, mine gig. So I was providing service, creating landing pages, sales pages like this. So here is my portfolio example. So basically I'm like offering here web design services. Here you can see basic price for this gig is 20 euro, standard price 30 euro, premium 60 euro. So here is my gig description, and here we can see price list again. I have put also uh, frequently asked questions here, so buyers can read this. And here you can see all my reviews. So if you are a web developer, or you have skills in Photoshop, things like this, maybe SEO, backlinks, if you have um, anything to offer to customers, you should register on Fiverr. I will put the link in the description below, so make sure to click on it, create your account, and simply try to list service and you will see results. Also, you can outsource Fiverr services. So, for example, let's take this gig. So, premium website. So, sales page, basic website with sales page, and hosting will cost 60 euro. So, you can resell my service, for example, for 80 euro. And take. So, I will do all the job and you'll get 20 euro for just connecting seller and buyer. So a lot of people are doing this. It's like arbitrage scheme, but it's working. Okay, guys, hope this video was helpful for you. And as you can see, it's still possible to earn some money here on Fiverr, but you should provide good service. So you should be fast. And if you are offering small gigs like $5 gigs, then these services what you offer, you should complete them fast. So these services must be completed fast, and then you'll be able to scale your earnings. Okay, so you'll find links in the description below, and if you will have any questions about Fiverr platform, make sure to comment under this video. Hope this video was helpful for you.